This is the one that's going to be all or nothing. I get that.
Go on, Sid. Oh my god, I'm taking a photo.
I wanted to go back there, but I'm a little noisy.
I can do that one. Look at that boy. Right city. We get Stan out first. Might as well put that camera on the floor with Stan, that's where he'd be.
Yeah.
Hold on. Hold on, Nick. Don't worry about me, boy. We're all right, haven't we? Put the wheel round, Dad. Go right round there. That's it. And then no. What's in there? See? That's all right. See if I break my leg, I won't feel it. Yeah, it's going to be tight back there, Dan. That one. Where's it tight? Just loosen it up. Yeah. I don't put the fucking out. Boy, how's it going? You do the double, don't you? No, I missed that one. Oh, yeah. You do it, yeah. Well, just fucking do it, mate. Just sit down and hit it.
No, stick down there. I was shot out of it. I took it down low to where it was before.
What a moment,